Valkeakoski is a really big site. It's mainly concentrated on extrusion. We have received a lot of positive feedback from our customers about Valkeakoski. Logistically, it's well positioned. We can deliver materials all over the world. We have a great team here who know their customers really well. The relationship with the existing customers is amazing. We have a really strong R&D team also working on site, so we are driving new innovations, bringing new solutions to the market, concentrating on sustainability.
We have technology and the end product which are suiting very well our customers, mainly in the meat and cheese market. There are a lot of mid-size or even small-size customers who are buying from us, and I think that the key reason is that our minimum order quantity is 1 pallet. It's fairly low quantity of material, so for that reason the customers are happy to use our materials all over Europe.
At Amcor Valkeakoski, we highly appreciate our customers and we want to get close to them. We highly appreciate them visiting us, and actually at the moment we have more than 600 active customers that are trusting our goods and our services.
We have really long relationships with our customers. We understand their needs. We need to be agile, so they are working in a really fast-moving, agile market. So we need to be able to serve them according to their needs.
We have field technical service here at Amcor Valkeakoski who can help the customers on site. If they have difficulties with their machines, we can send the field technical service to help them.
It's not only what we are doing here, it's the whole service package. And service package means in this case the deliveries, how our customer service is working, and how we are working together with the customers.